This is a 2016 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew. Black over gray leather interior, power windows, power locks, heated power mirrors, power driver's seat, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, CD player, automatic transmission. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, receiver hitch, backup camera, bed liner. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford Bradenton, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.